Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's update is going to be very brief because actually not a whole lot has changed, not a whole lot has happened compared to yesterday. We are still in this relatively small range here for BTC. We're looking at the 15 minute. Yesterday we said we have a short here from these highs that did not get activated, and then we have a few longs actually from lower levels. Let me quickly zoom out here on the 1 hour. That is a long, let me see, that's this one right here. Once we are taking out this low, and then we have the golden pocket, a few naked points of control, daily level. So that's this long, and then eventually from this low. But price action as of yesterday, or actually already since Friday, was very slow, and because yesterday was also a holiday in the United States, therefore the standard markets were closed, and therefore not a whole lot was going on. I know that I promised to live stream, or at least promised, I said I would live stream yesterday, but since there was not a whole lot going on, standard markets were closed, I'm not in a trade, and then I found out that it was Independence Day in the place where I am right now. I was also home pretty late, so eventually I skipped streaming. Can't promise you that we're doing it today because actually I'm pretty busy today, but I want to give you a quick update anyways. If else, I will see if I can schedule a live stream for later today, and if else, probably tomorrow. The reason why we are looking now at the 15 minute and have the VWAP on is that if price action stays still relatively slow, then the only long that I might add, but I will update you on Twitter, is once we start reclaiming the VWAP and getting a bounce, or maybe these highs. The only problem is there's just not a whole lot going on. Let me see if it'll match up with the value area high. Yeah, so it could match up with the value high of the range, that you do something like this where we eventually reclaim VWAP and then we're getting a bounce, and then you could go higher. So keep in mind the reclaim of 60k, I think that's pretty safe. A reclaim of 60k is a potential long setup, but I would be careful. What do I mean with a reclaim? There will be an hour or 4 hour candle close above the level, and then I think we can see more upside. Other than that, I would be careful, and I'm still favoring shorts, because the thing is also, if you are longing from the current level, and I'm now quickly zooming out here to the 4 hour, I will take the VWAP out so that's a bit more clear for you guys, is that you are longing right in the middle of the range. So actually this is a no-go. This would only be a TP area. If you're scalping it, like I said, you can, but you have to do it very locally on a small time frame. Other than that, I would just refrain from taking any big positions, because you have this on top, you have this on the bottom, you're right in the middle of the range. And you actually want to take shorts from the top levels and longs from the bottoms to see how long you can hold them and just squeeze out the profit. Right now it is, I would say, almost or kind of a little bit decision time, because like I said, is BTC going to go higher, reclaim some levels with a backtest, and are we going higher or are we going lower? For now I am still favoring lower. We're making some nice liquidity here. This low looks actually pretty bad. This is some good liquidity that we can still take out. It will be kind of weird if this currently is the bottom and then we are going higher. Never say never, this beat the C, but I would say also, if you look at some of the time frames, it actually looks like that we still have some more downward action. And like I said in yesterday's video, the bigger time frames are always stronger than the smaller time frames, so be careful if you're scalping something on a low time frame. But as you can see, actually only the daily here starts to look really good, so I would really prefer one more move down. If not, if we eventually need to get in somewhere here, so be it. Then we missed here the higher low, the bigger bottom, but other than that, I'm actually not worried at all. So I'm really right in the middle. I'll see how price plays out. If I see something interesting on the low time frame, I will update you in Twitter in case I don't stream. And if else, I'll see you guys later today again during the live stream. Thank you guys so much. See you in the next one. And of course, don't forget to like and forget to subscribe and click the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. Okay, that was it. I'm really for today. See you later, guys. Bye bye.